Common Idioms for Everyday Conversations, Volume 4, Champing at the Bit, very eager. She's champing at the bit to start. In the nick of time, just in time. We arrived in the nick of time. No strings attached, no conditions. This deal comes with no strings attached. Add fuel to the fire, make things worse. Her words added fuel to the fire. Needle in a haystack, hard to find. Finding it was like a needle in a haystack. Turn over a new leaf, make a change. He turned over a new leaf at work. Beat around the bush, avoid the main issue. Stop beating around the bush and tell me. Go against the grain, do something unusual. He goes against the grain with his ideas. It's all Greek to me, hard to understand. This math is all Greek to me. Keep your eyes peeled, watch carefully. Keep your eyes peeled for the exit. Raining cats and dogs, rain heavily. It's raining cats and dogs outside. Let sleeping dogs lie. Avoid old issues. Don't bring it up. Let sleeping dogs lie. Method to the madness, reason in chaos. There's a method to her madness. Get bent out of shape, get upset. Don't get bent out of shape over this. Feel under the weather, feel unwell. I'm under the weather today. Back to the salt mines, return to work. The holiday's over, back to the salt mines. Water under the bridge, past is past. Forget the fight, it's water under the bridge. At the end of your rope, out of patience. I'm at the end of my rope with this mess. Come hell or high water, no matter what, she'll finish the project, come hell or high water. Get down to brass tacks, focus on basics. Let's get down to brass tacks and decide. Steal someone's thunder, take credit. She stole my thunder by sharing the idea first. Set the record straight, correct a mistake. He set the record straight about the rumors. Until the cows come home, for a long time. You can wait until the cows come home. Throw caution to the wind, take a risk. She threw caution to the wind and quit her job. The ball is in your court, your turn to act. I've done my part, the ball is in your court. Drive someone up the wall, annoy greatly. The noise is driving me up the wall. Take with a pinch of salt, be skeptical. Take his advice with a pinch of salt. Take the bull by the horns, face a problem. She took the bull by the horns and fixed it. Kick the can down the road, delay action. Stop kicking the can down the road, act now. Let the cat out of the bag, reveal a secret. He let the cat out of the bag about the gift. Throw someone under the bus, betray someone. He threw his co-worker under the bus to save himself. Don't cry over spilled milk. Don't regret the past. It's done. Don't cry over spilled milk. Not playing with a full deck, acting crazy. He's not playing with a full deck sometimes. Make hay while the sun shines. Take advantage of an opportunity. Finish the job now. Make hay while the sun shines. Have your cake and eat it too. Want everything. You can't have your cake and eat it too. Your guess is as good as mine. I don't know either. Where is she? Your guess is as good as mine. Up the creek without a paddle, in trouble. We're up the creek without a paddle, without a plan. Fly by the seat of your pants, act without planning. We're flying by the seat of our pants on this trip. Give someone the cold shoulder, ignore someone. He gave her the cold shoulder after the argument. Wear your heart on your sleeve, show emotions openly. He wears his heart on his sleeve all the time. Put all your eggs in one basket, risk everything on one plan. Don't put all your eggs in one basket, diversify. Straight from the horse's mouth, from a reliable source. I heard it straight from the horse's mouth. The pot calling the kettle black, criticizing someone with the same flaw. That's the pot calling the kettle black. You're messy too. Pull the wool over someone's eyes, deceive someone. Don't let him pull the wool over your eyes. Make a mountain out of a molehill. Exaggerate a small issue. Stop making a mountain out of a molehill. It's not a big deal. Can't see the forest for the trees. Focus too much on details. She can't see the forest for the trees in this project. Run around like a headless chicken. Act frantically. We were running around like headless chickens before the event. Out of the frying pan and into the fire. Go from bad to worse. Switching jobs was out of the frying pan into the fire. You can lead a horse to water, but you can't make it drink. Can't force someone to act. I gave him advice, but you can't make him drink. Bark up the wrong tree. Pursue a wrong idea. He's barking up the wrong tree. I didn't do it. You can lead a horse to water, but you can't make it drink. I spent hours explaining to Jake how to improve his resume and get a better job, but in the end, he never took any of the advice I gave him. You can lead a horse to water, but you can't make it drink. You can lead a horse to water, but you can't make it drink. I spent hours explaining to Jake how to improve his resume and get a better job, but in the end, he never took any of the advice I gave him. You can lead a horse to water, but you can't make it drink.